Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to merge two tables in Publisher horizontally. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to merge two tables in this document. Vertically, horizontally, go to the Insert menu. Then insert a table. Now we can see we insert a table, then we resize this table some big. Now we select the middle column of this table, then go to the layout menu and click the merge cell option and select the column and go to the table design menu, then select the whole column or rows all this table, then click the pen white 3 and line color black or select borders drop down menu and choose all border. Then click the merge cell and go to the borders option again and click the bottom borders and again click the top borders. Then click outside of the table. Now we can see we merged two tables this publisher document horizontally very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.